The Coastal Zone Management Plan public hearing held on Thursday is completely illegal. 95% of the participants have come to oppose it. This was the view of the section of people who were present at the Panji and Margaon. People said that first the village plan had to be considered. Participants alleged that the government planned to hand over Goan beaches to outside businessmen. The NGT had ordered to hold public hearing on 8 July after the earlier hearing held on 31st August was challenged. Huge confusion was witnessed at Margaon outside the venue before hearing could take place.
आप किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो? आपके बंदी को जो भी बाहर रह गया मैं भी साथ चलती लेकर
This is not one person. We are not follow the rules. Why you are asking? You have to follow the rules. Why you are not following the rules? You are also follow the rules. You want us to follow the rules? You don't follow the rules. Remember that you are paid by us.
People from South were adamant they didn't want hearing during the pandemic. NGOs and activists spoke what government want to do with coastlines by taking hearings during the wrong time.
लोकांक एकूच चान्स मेळटा आमची गोंय सांबाळपाक. आमची CRZ एरियाचेर व्हडले व्हडले कंपनीजाचो अटॅक आसा आनी आयज आमी जिखनात जाल्यार आमचे गोंयचे सगळी कोस्टल एरियाज कॉर्पोरेट्सा हातीन वयतले. आमचे फिशरमॅन फार्मर आमचे गोंय सगळे सोंपतले. सो आयज हो खूब म्हत्वाचो दीस आनी सरकारान हें क्लियरली दाखोवन दिलां की सरकार आमचे लोकांचे विरुद्ध आसा, आमचे पर्यावरणचे विरुद्ध आसा. पब्लीक हियरिंगा भितर आनी भायर सगळे कडेन सरकारान सांगूंक जाय की आमची दर्ये, आमचे लोक, आमची सैम, आमचे एनवायरमेंट सगळे प्रोटेक्ट जावपा जाय जाल्यार हो प्लॅन भायर मारचो आनी लोकांनी गांवांत केल्ले प्लॅन ते सगळे सरकारान मान्य करता. आमचे फिशिंग रायट्स दाखयना म्हळ्यार फिशरमॅन सगळे सोंपले. आमचे एग्रीकल्चर दाखयना, फार्मर सगळे सोंपले. आमची घरां दाखयना, आमचो लोक सगळो सोंपलो. दुसरे सायडीन कोर्ट लिमीट दाखयल्या सगळे व्हडले व्हडले कॉर्पोरेट घेतले कोळशा धंदो करतले. जेटी 100 वयर दाखयल्या बारीक बारीक दिश्टी पडना तश्यो. म्हळ्यार लोकांक काळखान धरून हे सगळे आमचे गोंयांत ते कॉर्पोरेट हातीन वयचे. आमकां दर्या लागीं वचपाक मेळपाना, आमचो न्हंये देगेर वचपाक मेळपाना. आमचो लोक सगळो गोंयांत रावपाक शकपाना.
Sir, my number is 2. What order you all are following?
Speaker number 7.
Why all give these numbers to us?
Jacqueline Rodriguez. Speaker number 8.
Sir, point of order.
Jesusha Rodriguez.
Your sequence is different from what is given outside. You cannot do this.
Then you give the 15 minutes per speaker, whether he comes or not, and only at the end of the 15 minutes you call the next speaker.
You please announce the speaker number so we know who has to come after that. We don't know. We have just come like a theatre over here again.
This is all a setting to keep speakers at the end at night to frustrate
Larissa Matilda Rodriguez.
In the message it is stated that you are hereby allotted to attend hearing as speaker 91. And the way they have put it, you can't even make out whether it is an order or what is it.
I think so that we all should have had a chance to enter, first of all. Spot registration is a different issue.
I wait the 1 minute and
You are jumbling us up. I'm here, I'm
So here the tension आम्ही हे करतले.
yeah.
कौन सा इधर है? इधर है. I don't know India.
I tell you which chapter, what is the baseline used in the CZMP?
These two maps basically show, the eco-sensitive zones of Goa. These maps again were during the regional plan, preparation of the regional plan for Goa. They are slightly old records, and the forest cover as mapped and recorded by the Forest Department of Goa. Here clearly shows the different, the 7 rivers and the mangrove forest cover, and these are already designated as eco-sensitive zones on the maps. management. These are sites at Pato, Panjim, where the land opening egress is happening, and there is a dumping of garbage, addressed for restoration and conservation. And important areas which I already mentioned at Pato, Ribandar, Rashol, Karamboli have to be earmarked.
I also want daughter. I also want daughter. And no. I'm not. No smoker daughter. This is my horse. How can you say it? You can say only one speaker in this speaker.
I will say that I stay here and all throughout the hearing, and if I fall sick, it is your responsibility.
There are so many people who are diabetic, diabetic people who are diabetic. You have to take some.
Article 24, right to rest. Hello. Right to rest. Okay. I hope you know. You are the collector of Hyderabad.
सरकाराक आणि गोवा कोस्टल मॅनेजमेंट ऑथॉरिटी सांगता ही ऑथॉरिटी फॉर्म जाल्ली कित्याक CRZ नोटिफिकेशन पाडपाक आणि CZMP प्लॅन कायद्या भितर करपाक. तुम्ही तुमची ड्युटी विसरता जाल्यार आमी लोक स्पेशली फिशिंग कम्युनिटी जे नोटिफिकेशन आयला तुमकां कितें आहा तें आमी दाखयतले.
आपल्या ज्या गोंयचे मोगान आयज ते येयलो आहाय तुमकां कितें दिसलें गव्हर्मेंटाक दिसलें BJP सरकाराक आनी तें कितें दिसलें की लोक येवपाना म्हणून आमगे गोंयकार भायर सरपाना म्हणून. पूण आपणाक गेले रायट आपणागे जागो आपणाक गोंयकार कोण सांबाळपाक येयले पूण वी कंडेम ही मिटींग तेणी आयज दवरपा न्ही.
आयज जो लोक हांगा जमा जाला तो लोक म्हाका दिसता 95% लोक आपले ऑब्जेक्शन घेवन येयला की कोणाकूय तूं विचार एक विलेजर तूं विचार तो लोक फक्त आपले ऑब्जेक्शन घेवन येयला की हे पब्लीक हियरिंग जे सरकारान आयज दवरला ते इलिगल म्हणून. आणि लोक आपले फक्त ऑब्जेक्शन मांडूंक हांगा आयज हाजीर जाला. तो सरकारान हे लोकांची जी ऑब्जेक्शन आहा ती बरे भाशेन मानून घेवची. पब्लीक हियरिंग जात जाल्यार आयजूच तांणी बंद करची. पब्लीक कन्सल्टेशन करचे आणि मागीर जे लोकांनी गांवच्या लोकांनी जे प्लॅन तयार केला तेचेर पब्लीक हियरिंग घेवचे.
आयज हें पळय कितें आहा हें सगळें एक जावन आमच्या मायनॉरिटी लोकांक आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक काबार करपाक ताका लागून म्हाका क्लियर पिक्चर जाय. CRZ प्लॅन आसता दोयरो फ्री केन्ना जातलो आमचो पोटागोचो न्हंय केन्ना फ्री जातली आमची पोटागोची. हें तरी फ्री तरी कोता दोनी वस्तू पोटागोची तरी काटा तेन्ना आमचो मातसो दुबाव वयतलो.
बायना पिक्चर सगळे रोकडे दुसरे दिसा मोडटा आनी हे मायकल लोबोचे हॉटेल जेका डेमोलिशन आसा ते निलेश काब्राल एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर नॉट अ कलेक्टर हू इज देयर हॅज डेमोलिश दिस. देयर इज नो ऑर्डर ऑफ NGT टू स्टे दिस. म्हणजे मिनिस्टरान तुझ्या मनशांक डेमोलिशन ना असले DCZMA.
We need plan, but not this plan. Somebody sitting in an AC office in Chennai or even in Panjim will not know what exactly is there in our villages. We are communities, the fishing community, the farming communities, people have been not considered at all in these plans of yours. These are a mess.